नमस्कार मुंबई. गणपती बाप्पा, गणपती बाप्पा. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome the real GOAT, Messi. And it is a pleasure that he is mentoring our 60 kids who are going to dominate the football ground in 2034. Project Mahadeva is to again give center stage to football in our state. And thank you, Messi, for having clinic with our 60 young budding players. You have inspired them, and I would like to assure you, you'll find one of them playing in the FIFA World Cup. Thank you and welcome.
Thank you so very much, ladies and gentlemen. A star-studded night, the one that all of you have been waiting for. It is now time for all of us to shift our focus to the big screen while I ensure that our players, Mrs. Sangeeta Jindal, Mr. Parth Jindal of the JSW Foundation, making their way up on stage. Hold on, before we move ahead, I think it is time for us to welcome the youth icon, and he's here to do something very, very special. Please welcome Tiger Shroff! To a moment of honor and recognition for this wonderful project, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome on stage Tiger Shroff, India's youngest action star and a symbol of discipline, fitness and relentless hard work. For thousands of young kids watching today, he represents what dedication can achieve when talent meets effort. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, he is the face of Project Mahadeva. He is Tiger Shroff, and he is in the house. I'll quickly run everybody through because Project Mahadeva is something which is very, very special, sir. And I feel that everybody over here and watching us today should know about it. Project Mahadeva is a statewide grassroots football development initiative launched by the government of Maharashtra, aimed at identifying and nurturing talented boys and girls under the age of 13. The program provides comprehensive long-term support to develop future football stars for the state, including rural areas. And who better to be the face of it than somebody who loves the game? Like, he's just playing it around. I know in his head, I know you want to dribble it through over here. Tiger Shroff, ladies and gentlemen, and here comes Project Mahadeva. All right, sir. I will give you a countdown. Let's go. We want everybody to join in. Project Mahadeva is going to go live when I give the countdown. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please welcome on stage Mr. Ajay Devgan, an actor whose work has consistently reflected strength, discipline and purpose. Through his film Maidan, he brought to life the story of Indian football's golden era. A reminder of what belief, teamwork and perseverance can achieve on the field. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Singham is in the house! I would now request our Honorable Chief Minister to kindly do the honors and felicitate Tiger Shroff and Ajay Devgan. And we request Mrs. Fernandez to also please join us on stage. All right, and I now request Mrs. Fernandez to please felicitate Mrs. Jindal. Thank you very, very much. And now, the big check, ladies and gentlemen, coming up on stage. A check of 75 lakhs. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. This amount goes towards Project Mahadeva, which helps countless children under the age of 13. And I request Leo, Luis, and Rodrigo to please join in for a photo op. Thank you. Thank you, Tiger. Thank you, Ajay sir. Thank you, Sangeeta ji and Parth. Thank you very much. I would request the Honorable Chief Minister to please stay on stage along with our three players. All right. You know what? This is Wankhede Stadium. The GOAT is here. The GOAT is also here. But it is now my privilege, my honor to move on to the next segment. Ladies and gentlemen, we move into the next segment, and this time you are going to witness history. Two legends, two sports, two nations, one shared value of excellence. The football GOAT is here. It is now time to call on stage the GOAT of cricket, the one, the only, Sachin Tendulkar! We go, Sachin!
আরো ভালো ভালো খবর দেখতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন বাংলা হান্টের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বাংলা হান্টের আরো খবর দেখতে নজর রাখুন। বাংলা খবর মানেই বাংলা হান্ট।